is the best day. As you can tell by the title, we are decorating for Christmas today. It's still November, it's not even Thanksgiving yet. Normally I hold off a little bit longer, but you know, I feel like we could all use a little cheer, a little something exciting this year. And so if I get to stare at Christmas decorations longer, I feel like that's just like one good step for 2020, you know? So I'm so excited to get started. Also because I'm in the new house, as we all know at this point. First time I ever toured this house. In the initial moments, one of the first things I thought about was decorating this house for Christmas. So I just can't wait. I'm thinking I wanna go for like, I don't want any like reds. I want like gold, champagne-y, silver, like metallic tones. Green, of course, we have our, you know, Latrice green and whatnot. So I don't know. I don't want like red jumping out at us. I don't, you know, am I okay? It's a Christmas color, whatever. Comment below when you decorate for Christmas, if you are. And lastly, this video is sponsored by Billy Razors, which I'm gonna talk about here in a second. And the first task is digging out all of our decorations from under our stairs closet downstairs. Also our downstairs, if you've seen it in vlogs, like we don't have our sofa in yet, we don't have our dining chairs, our dining table. We're like still, unfortunately, making use of some things we have from our old places because so much furniture is back ordered. That's taken things down a few cute points because everything doesn't look the most like cohesive and like it's not our final vision. So keep that in mind, but let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually gonna put a couple things in my bathroom just because I want it to be festive everywhere as well. And that brings me to today's video sponsor, Billy Razors. They're my favorite razors. I've been wanting to work with them for so long. I've used these for over a year, like honestly, maybe going on 2, I'm not sure. These are my favorite razors. I love what this company stands for. If you're unfamiliar with them, they provide like the most affordable women's razors without the pink tax, which is basically just the concept that beauty products marketed to women cost so much more than they do for men. If you're not aware, now you know. So Billy Razors are actually sold in the starter kit, which comes with the standard razor. The handle comes in 5 colors. You can choose which one you like the best, as well as an extra razor head, and then their little magnetic razor holder, which you just peel this off and it sticks onto your shower wall. You get all of that for just $9, as well as anytime you need a refill pack, you can get 4 new razor heads for just $9. Again, it is free shipping. It is crazy. It's so much cheaper than anything you can get at the store. And on top of that, almost more importantly, they just do a really great job. They have 5 blades that are spread out enough to where like shaving cream or hair or anything like that isn't gonna get stuck in there, so it doesn't interrupt your shave. And they're enclosed in this aloe shaving soap, so it's a super smooth shave. I like the curved handle. It just feels really natural to hold it and shave this way. And in addition, if you wanna get all of your shaving products from them, they also sell shaving cream that I really like. A lot of shaving creams I feel like have burned me like in the past, you know, they just feel very chemically. This one's super awesome. It's made with shea butter, aloe, and sage, and it just lathers up, feels very like almost like lotiony. It's very smooth shave, as well as they have this body lotion for after your shave. And if you're going home for the holidays, they even sell these little matching razor travel cases that just open like this, magnetic again, so it'll just like latch in there perfectly. You can close it. I feel like, why has nothing existed like this before that I'm aware of? So I'm gonna have them linked below if you wanna check these out. These can even be like a good stocking stuffer. Like my parents got me this, put this in my stocking, I would honestly be thrilled. And yeah, it is just wonderful to partner with them because again, they just, from like a women empowerment standpoint, I feel like really do so much, and I really love this brand. Additionally, they advertise actually showing like body hair. Have you ever noticed that? Razor commercials and ads never show hair. They're shaving off nothing. Why is that? I just love that Billy is progressive. So if you want to step up your shaving game at a very affordable price, I'm gonna have Billy linked. Thank you so much again to them. And let's hop into some bathroom decor. I'm thinking, first up, I found just like some different little sprig things to go. In the past, I've put in this vase instead of the eucalyptus, but I feel like the eucalyptus is actually like festive in itself. So I'm just gonna play around with this. Might not even use these at all. Like, how bad does it look if I just do like a little winter assortment? I have this little mini tree as well, so I decided to put this in the bathroom, and I feel like it like balances out the height. I want to put something on the side table. Even that tree would look, I don't know, I need something else to go there. Just a little gold reindeer, just a couple simple touches. Decided that I probably shouldn't put that much in my room just because I do not actually have that much decor for a house of this size anymore. Before we start doing it, I'm gonna do some before clips. You're gonna see what I'm talking about my like DIY living room right now. Coming from the front door, we have the kitchen. We have our little makeshift living space that will one day be a big couch. We have this little front sitting area. Lots of like sitting options. If you ever wanna sit, we have lots of places to do that. Little laundry room. I feel like I do wanna put a couple little decor things back there. Right now someone's doing laundry. Makeshift dining setup as well. Started getting out a few things. I need to put my pumpkins back up. I don't know if I wanna do, I have a couple little garland things. I don't know, they probably would stretch here. I don't know if I wanna like do something on the stairs up there because my room is up that way. But let's just get started. I'm gonna put on some Christmas music also. Now I'm in a Christmas tree predicament where I feel like the obvious thing is to put it in this like front room. So, okay, we have two options. One is like put it kind of just in the middle of the room, like kind of where these chairs and all this are, in which case we'd have to rearrange and like put those somewhere else, I don't really know. Or we can put the tree in like the corner of the room and move that lamp and have it be like in the back. I need to assemble it. If it's gonna be too small and like look silly being like a centerpiece, then we'll just put it in the corner. Obviously gotta fluff this baby, but I feel like this is centerpiece worthy. Like I was worried these ceilings were gonna be so high that it was gonna look stupid, but we have like a 7.5 foot tree, I think. I think this could be like a good little centerpiece for this area, so I'm gonna do a little rearranging. Couple things. This tree skirt over this little furry thing looks funny. So I don't know if I need to get like a smaller tree skirt. I feel like if we just take out the little fur thing, it's gonna feel too small in the space. Also, I'm gonna be putting some presents under here very shortly. I have just like boxes that I keep wrapped up to be like fake little present decor since none of us have really Christmas shopped yet. So I'm hoping that'll just cover the tree skirt part and then we still won't see the like base of it, and that's really all I care about. But I think this is gonna be cute. I ended up moving those chairs to right here, moved those stools under the TV, the little poof thing here. We working with it. Lunch break before we fluff the tree. All right, we've refueled. Next is time for tree fluffing. Make sure you're doing this with long sleeves. You're gonna get cut up. I know better than to do it in this sweater. It's gonna get picked. I know I need to just go change clothes. I need to do it. I literally am so tired. I don't even wanna walk upstairs right now. I need to, I'm gonna ruin the sweater. All right. All right, good enough for a quick little fluff here. I realized I need to test the lights and then we're gonna decorate. Sun is already setting, I'm so mad. You hate to see it. No, why are they stopping? Is a light out or is like a section not connected? Crisis averted, thank God. Although, are there lights on right here? All right, she's getting a little finicky. I'm worried. We've had this tree for a few years now. Don't quit on me yet. I also need to get a proper extension cord that will probably run to the corner back there since that gets seen the least. Now we just have this like surge outlet plugged in. Okay, next up, in the past I've only put ornaments on my tree. They're really pretty ornaments, but I feel like you need like some kind of garlandy thing or just like some more going on to like, I don't know, make it look more full. So I ordered some options. Let's see. Especially with our ornaments, I think it's really gonna match. All right, I need to place another order for more of that to go down here, but we're gonna put some ornaments on. Update, tragic news. All of those little garlandy pieces are now back ordered for like another week, which is fine. Good thing I'm decorating early. However, for this video, and when I want it to go up, you're not gonna see the final result. So I guess stay tuned to vlogs or on Instagram to get the full look. It's gonna be looking a little goofy here for a minute with our garlands covering up 2/3 of the tree, but what can you do? Okay, ornament time. The first ornament. I wish I had like a peppermint hot chocolate right now. Should I get it? Maybe. Whatever you want. Woo! Still not done. We have so many ornaments to go, but I need to move on from the tree. So it's getting really dark, and as it turns out, I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow. So see you then. Picking up day 2. During the day, you know, this tree, at night it wasn't as bad, but during the day with only like half this garlandy situation, this looks ridiculous. Last night I was like, seems pretty full, but I have so many more ornaments, and during the day, it's like, you want it to be like super full and whatever when it's not just lit up. Next, I think I'm gonna hang the garland on the stairs, and I have 2 options, one that I did last year and then one I got new this year that I originally had in mind to just like drape across my dresser in my room. However, I think it's a little too long for that, so I think it's gonna look weird. So I'm probably gonna put one garland on like this part of the stairs down here and then one on the railing upstairs. I have this wreath as well, and I've ordered a little suction like holder for it, so stay tuned on that. But we have this garland that has like some little frosted tips and little metallic glittery decor items that kind of match like the tree style, or I have just this little eucalyptus one. So we're gonna see. We also have a lot of green plants here. I'm hoping these aren't gonna clash. I think I actually am gonna do this one down here. Now I'm thinking about how am I gonna hang this, because in the past, how I've hung like little garlandy things or using these, they just look like a Christmas tree stem. It like blends in super easily. These just like bendy little ties. However, that's not, will it? I don't know. I might have to do that for right now, but maybe I just need to get like some twine or something. You know, we're working with what we have. It's November. I don't know about it. So as it turns out, this looks stupid. It's not like long enough to drape, but just once it looks dumb. Need to like bend it out a little more, but I think it's promising. I'm happy enough with this. I don't know about it clashing with like green plants. So next I have a bunch of these really tall trees. I originally thought it could be cute to like have an assortment of just like random little trees actually like on top of this buffet thing. I thought that that could be cute. However, something I am discovering as I look at all this space is that all of my decor from my last place that like totally filled up our whole house is like definitely not going to go as far here. So I need to think, I'm thinking maybe I just spread out the little trees and then on top of the little buffet here, maybe doing this little winter village assortment thing there. So if this garland was too short for this part, it's definitely gonna be too short for the railing upstairs. And this guy, put that under there or on top? All right, I think on top for sure for that one. Very cute. This one I'm thinking in the laundry room for like the little by the sink thing. I don't know. Alright, this is what I went with here. Now I'm just placing my last little trinkets everywhere. Also, I have this little frosted bowl and put just these sparkly pine cones in it. I'm thinking I'll either use this as part of like a table centerpiece or over on the coffee table because I want to have something over there. Like it's too early to put out a holiday mat, but we're gonna do it. Literally still have a pumpkin out. This actually definitely needs to be thrown away. I've had a little squirrel or something feasting. Cute. Trying to decide if it would look cute to have 3 little stockings at the high places. However, I only have 2 of these, so I would probably just need to order something completely separate. That's another thing to stay tuned for. All right, gonna go in with the rest of the ornaments, and then I'm gonna show you the final stuff. All right, tree's basically done. You just need to put a little topper at the top and then get those garlands for down here, but more full of ornaments now. Also just put some little like tree trinkets and stuff throughout on like our shelves. Just a couple things over on the coffee table. Railing space if I decide to put anything there. But those are my final clips. Let me know if you guys have decorated. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you would add or potentially take away. I won't be offended. I don't like have my go-to places for everything yet like I did in the last place, so I don't know if I even like everything where it is at the moment. This is my kickoff Christmas like starting place. Stay tuned to vlogs and Instagram to see the rest of that. Again, thank you so much to Billy for sponsoring this. Make sure you stay tuned to next weekend for my gift guide video. Lots of fun gift ideas coming in that one, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.